How long should an oil change take? At Huck Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, we know how important your vehicle is to your lifestyle and business. And in some cases, it is the second largest purchase you'll make. A properly maintained vehicle saves time and money. That's the main reason we believe in the quality oil change, not the quickie type. An oil change is like getting a medical checkup for your vehicle. The older the vehicle gets and higher mileage, the more important these inspections are to perform. Plus, as our vehicle gets closer to the end of their warranties and extended service contracts, you don't want to miss any coverage that the contracts provide. Our most popular oil change generally takes 90 minutes. Your vehicle gets expert care by our certified Mopar technicians as follows. We test the battery, inspect and replace the air filter if needed, top off fluids, tread inspection and tire rotation, checking the air pressure and fill if necessary, brake inspection, bulbs, belts, horn and hoses checked, wiper inspection, drain and replace oil filter, and a free car wash. As a Huck Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram customer, enjoy numerous benefits in addition to excellent service care. We offer free pickup and delivery of your vehicle. And if you're waiting at the dealership, have a seat in our comfortable waiting area with free Wi-Fi and coffee. Thank you for your business. We are honored to be chosen to service your vehicle. And as a customer, hope to serve you for a long time.